Driving into the future. What are autonomous vehicles? Picture a world where cars drive themselves. You get in, tell the car where to go, and it takes you there safely. This is the promise of autonomous vehicles, also known as self-driving cars. These vehicles use advanced technology to navigate and operate without human input. Imagine a future where traffic jams are a thing of the past. Autonomous vehicles could communicate with each other to maintain a smooth flow of traffic. They could also potentially reduce accidents caused by human error. These vehicles are no longer a figment of science fiction, they are becoming a reality. Companies around the world are investing heavily in this technology. We are on the cusp of a transportation revolution that could change our lives in profound ways. A look back from sci-fi to reality. The dream of self-driving cars is not new. It has been a part of our collective imagination for a long time. This dream has captured our imaginations for decades, appearing in countless science fiction books and films. These stories painted a picture of a future where cars could drive themselves, freeing humans from the task of driving. Early concepts of autonomous vehicles emerged as far back as the 1920s. However, the technology at that time was not advanced enough to turn these concepts into reality. Fast forward to the late 20th century, and research into autonomous vehicles began to gain significant momentum. Scientists and engineers started to explore the possibilities more seriously. In 1986, Carnegie Mellon University's NavLab project successfully tested a self-driving van. This was a groundbreaking achievement that showed the world that autonomous vehicles were not just a fantasy. This marked a significant milestone in the development of this technology. It was a clear indication that the dream of self-driving cars was slowly but surely becoming a reality. The real breakthrough came in the 21st century. With advancements in computing power, artificial intelligence, and sensor technology, the development of autonomous vehicles accelerated rapidly. Google's self-driving car project, launched in 2009, further accelerated progress in the field. This project demonstrated the potential of autonomous vehicles and inspired many other companies to invest in this technology. Today, numerous companies, from traditional automakers to tech giants, are racing to develop and deploy autonomous vehicles. The competition is fierce and the pace of innovation is astonishing. We are witnessing a rapid evolution of this technology. Each year brings new advancements and improvements, bringing us closer to a driverless future. The dream that once seemed like science fiction is now on the verge of becoming a reality. The brains of the operation. How do autonomous vehicles work? Autonomous vehicles rely on a complex interplay of sensors, software, and artificial intelligence to navigate their surroundings. They are like computers on wheels, constantly processing vast amounts of data to make decisions in real time. Think of these vehicles as having their own senses. Cameras act as their eyes, providing a 360-degree view of the environment. Radar and LiDAR sensors act like their ears, detecting objects and measuring distances, even in adverse weather conditions. All this sensory information is fed into the car's brain, a powerful computer system that uses artificial intelligence to interpret the data and make driving decisions. The software analyzes the environment, identifies potential hazards, and plans the safest and most efficient route. Section 4, Safety First. Addressing concerns and building trust. Safety is paramount when it comes to autonomous vehicles. While the technology holds the promise of reducing accidents caused by human error, concerns remain about its reliability and ability to handle unexpected situations. Extensive testing is crucial to ensure the safety of these vehicles. Companies are rigorously testing their autonomous vehicles in controlled environments and on public roads to identify and address potential issues. Regulations and standards are also being developed to govern the deployment of autonomous vehicles. Governments and industry organizations are working together to establish clear guidelines for safety, liability, and ethical considerations. Building public trust in autonomous vehicles is essential for their widespread adoption. As these vehicles become more common, it is important to educate the public about how they work, their safety features, and the potential benefits they offer. Section 5. A world of benefits, how autonomous vehicles can improve our lives. The potential benefits of autonomous vehicles extend far beyond just making driving easier. They promise to revolutionize the way we live and interact with our environment. They have the power to transform our cities, improve our quality of life, and create new economic opportunities. By reducing the need for personal car ownership, we can reclaim urban spaces for parks, pedestrian zones, and community areas. Imagine a world with fewer accidents, less traffic congestion, and reduced emissions. Autonomous vehicles are designed to follow traffic rules meticulously, which could significantly decrease the number of road accidents caused by human error. Autonomous vehicles could communicate with each other to optimize traffic flow, reducing gridlock and wasted fuel. This interconnected system would ensure smoother and more efficient travel, saving time and resources. They could also potentially make transportation more accessible for people with disabilities and the elderly. Autonomous vehicles can be equipped with features tailored to the needs of these groups, providing them with greater independence and mobility. These vehicles could also free up valuable time for drivers and passengers. Instead of being stuck behind the wheel, individuals could use this time to relax, catch up on work, or even enjoy entertainment. Imagine being able to work, read, or relax during your commute instead of focusing on the road. This shift could lead to a more balanced lifestyle where commuting becomes a productive or restful part of the day. This newfound time could boost productivity and improve our overall well-being. With less stress from driving, people might experience better mental health and increased job satisfaction. The rise of autonomous vehicles could also create new jobs and industries. From manufacturing to software development, the autonomous vehicle sector will require a diverse range of skills and expertise. We will need engineers, technicians, and software developers to design, build, and maintain these complex machines. This demand could spur educational programs and training opportunities, preparing the workforce for the future. The transition to a driverless future presents both challenges and opportunities for the workforce. While some jobs may become obsolete, new roles will emerge, requiring adaptability and continuous learning. Beyond personal transportation, autonomous vehicles could revolutionize industries such as logistics, delivery services, and public transportation. This could lead to more efficient supply chains and better access to goods and services. Ultimately, autonomous vehicles have the potential to contribute to a more sustainable and connected world. By embracing this technology, we can pave the way for a future where transportation is safer, more efficient, and accessible to all. Session 6. Out of the lab and onto the streets, real-world applications. Autonomous vehicle technology is no longer confined to research labs. It is already being deployed in various real-world applications, albeit in limited capacities. Ride-hailing companies are at the forefront of this revolution. Companies like Waymo and Cruise are testing self-driving taxis in select cities, offering a glimpse into a future where hailing a driverless ride could be commonplace. Delivery services are also exploring the use of autonomous vehicles. Imagine receiving your online shopping orders or takeout food delivered by a self-driving van. These applications could improve efficiency, reduce costs, and minimize human contact. Public transportation is another area where autonomous vehicles could play a transformative role. Self-driving buses and shuttles could provide on-demand transportation services, connecting people to their destinations in a more flexible and efficient manner. Section 7. Shaping tomorrow's roads, the future of autonomous vehicles. As we stand on the brink of a new era in transportation, the concept of autonomous vehicles is no longer a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. The future of autonomous vehicles is full of promise and potential, but it is not without its challenges. These vehicles have the potential to revolutionize the way we travel, making our roads safer, reducing traffic congestion, and providing greater mobility for those who cannot drive. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see significant advancements in its capabilities and widespread adoption. Innovations in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensor technology are driving this progress, enabling vehicles to navigate complex environments with increasing accuracy and reliability. The development of fully autonomous vehicles capable of operating in all conditions without human intervention remains a complex engineering challenge. Engineers and researchers are working tirelessly to overcome obstacles such as adverse weather conditions, unpredictable human behavior, and the need for fail-safe systems. However, with continued investment and innovation, we can expect to see significant progress in the coming years. Governments and private companies are pouring resources into research and development, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and bringing us closer to a future where autonomous vehicles are a common sight on our roads. The ethical and societal implications of autonomous vehicles will need to be carefully considered. Issues such as decision-making in critical situations, the potential for job displacement, and the equitable distribution of benefits and risks must be addressed to ensure a smooth transition. Questions about liability, data privacy, and the impact on employment will need to be addressed as these vehicles become more integrated into our lives. Who is responsible in the event of an accident? How will data collected by these vehicles be used and protected? And what will happen to the jobs of professional drivers? The transition to a driverless future will be gradual, with different levels of autonomy being introduced over time, from advanced driver assistance systems to fully autonomous vehicles. Each step will bring us closer to a world where driving as we know it is transformed. It is likely that we will see a mixed landscape of human-driven and autonomous vehicles sharing the roads for the foreseeable future. This coexistence will require new regulations, infrastructure adaptations, and a cultural shift in how we perceive and interact with vehicles. The journey to a fully autonomous future is complex and multifaceted, but the potential benefits make it a journey worth undertaking.